Good morning, students. Today we are again here with our first chapter more on MS Windows 10. In our last class, we have discussed the following points: introduction to MS Windows 10, new features of Windows 10, how to create a new desktop, closing a desktop, utilities of Windows 10, Windows Media Player. Today we will discuss some more points about our chapter. First is control panel. Control panel is used to manage different resources and functioning of the computer system. It is termed as command center of the computer system. Means in this user can change display settings, add or remove a program, change date and time, etc. Now how to open a control panel? First you have to click on start button, then all application, then Windows system, and lastly click on control panel option. Now how to change date and time of a computer system? You have to follow the given steps. Open control panel and switch to large icon view. Second, click on date and time option. The date and time dialog box appears. Step 3, click on change date and time button. The date and time settings dialog box appears. Step 4, change the date and time and click on the OK button. Next important point is font. Font is the appearance of the text in different style. Most commonly used fonts are Times New Roman, Arial, etc. Now how to see the installed fonts? First open control panel, then select font option. The fonts window appears. Step 2, double click on the desired font to view the preview of the selected font. Now how to add a new font? Click on the fonts option from the control panel. The font window appears showing the available fonts in your system. Step 2, open the folder where you have stored the font file. Step 3, drag the font file to the fonts dialog box. The font will be added to the list, or you can copy and paste the required font in fonts window. Now how to delete a font? To delete a font, you have to select the font and then click on the delete button. Next, how to change the mouse setting? In the mouse, user can change first pointers type. It represents the shape of the mouse pointer. It changes with different activities. Next, pointers movement speed. It is the speed by which the mouse pointer moves on the screen. Next, double click speed means how quick you are pressing the mouse button twice. The more is the double click speed, the faster you have to press the mouse button. Next, pointers trail are animated trails behind the mouse pointer, which make it easier to see it on screen while it is in motion. Now how to change the mouse setting? First you have to open control panel, then click on mouse option, then mouse property dialog box appears, then you can change the mouse setting. Now how to change the button configuration? In mouse property dialog box you have to select switch primary and secondary buttons, and lastly select the checkbox. How to change the double click speed? To make the speed slower, drag the slide to the left. To make speed faster, drag the slider to the right, and lastly click apply OK. Change the pointers type. How to change the pointers type, or we can say change the shape of the mouse pointer? First you have to click on pointers tab, then select the pointers type you want to change from the customized list. Click the browse button. A browse window appears displaying the different types of available pointers. Step 4, select any pointer shape. Step 5, click the open button. You see the new pointer shape replaces the original pointer shape in the customized list. Step 6, click the apply button. The desired changes come into effect. Step 7, when all the changes are done, click the OK button. Next, if you want to change the pointers speed, user have to click on pointers option, then motion. In mouse property dialog box, use default button is used to replace pointer to its original shape. Now there are some then replace double click with a single click. How to replace double click with a single click? First open the file explorer, then you have to click on view tab, then click on the options command. On the ribbon a drop down menu appears. Step 4, click on the change folder and search option. The folder option dialog box appears. Step 5, from the click item as follows section, check the single click, open an item, And lastly, step 6, on apply, then OK button. Now there are some power option. First is sleep mode. In sleep mode, monitor and the hard disk are turned off. You can resume your work right where you left as the open program are stored in the RAM. This mode is very useful when we are working on a long project and need to take a break. To put our computer in sleep mode, we have to follow the given steps. Click on the power option from the control panel. Click on the change plan setting. Step 3, click on the put the computer to sleep drop down list and select the item. Step 4, click on the save changes button. The time you choose will be trigger period, which means that after being idle for that amount of time, the PC will enter into the sleep mode. Next mode is hibernation mode. It is just like shutdown, but with an advantage that it saves all work on the hard drive. To put the hibernate mode configuration, follow these steps. First, click on the power option from the control panel. A power options window appears. From the left pane, click on the choose what the power buttons do. A system settings window appears. Step 3, click on the drop down menu next to when I press the power button. Step 4, click the hibernate option. Step 5, click on save changes button. The hibernate mode is just like shutdown, but the advantage here is that it saves all your work on the hard drive. And when you start the computer next time, it starts from where you left and exactly the way you left. So in this chapter we have discussed more about Windows 10. I am sending you question answer of this chapter with PDF. You have to do that work in your notebook. Thank you class for watching.